Hi guys, hi, how's it going? How y'all doing today? Hopefully today finds you well. Today we are unboxing some Ulta minis, and I thought I'd pull my beloved daughter into all of this just because these remind me of her LOLs, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And I thought that we'd have fun doing this. So this is just a low-key video unboxing some of these mini brands, Ulta mini brands. I am really wanting the Dry Bar hair dryer, and I feel like this is going to be a fun time. So for those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Donna. I'm a lover of all things high and colorful beauty and self-care. Ultimately, this is my self-care. I like to talk about makeup. I hope that you like to talk about makeup too. And if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you along for this crazy ride of mine and welcome you into my YouTube fam. And with that, let's roll into this where we're going to unbox some of these Ulta minis, and I'm super excited actually for these stupid little toys. So let's go. So I am barefaced actually. I'm having issues with my eye. I think it's because of the palette that I'm using currently. So I'm not wearing any makeup. She's not wearing any makeup. We're just low-key in it today. I do have my hair back in this dude because, listen, it's hair washing day and I need to wash my hair. That's how this rolls. I am super excited about these. These remind me of my daughter's LOLs. I figured it would be a fun video for us to unbox. I do think I should have picked up 6 though, so that we were even Stevens, but I only got 5. But I'm so excited. So for those of you who are unaware, Ulta and this Zuru, I think, brand came up with these little collab minis, and they're just little miniature toy makeup products, and there's supposed to be 5 in each one of these little dudes. So I'm super excited to open them up, and I have 2 that are marked with X's because I had one of my EMs pick a couple and she wanted to know whether hers were the lucky ones that got the products that I really want. I have on my desk over here next to the candle right there a giant like man-eater mascara, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the minis, but I'm super excited to open them up. So we're gonna open these up today. Let's just jump in. I am gonna open this one, and then I'm gonna have you open, and then I'll open, then you'll open, then I'll open the last one. How's that sound? What we're looking for is the Dry Bar hair dryer because it comes in its own little box. And these are supposed to be like interactive, like they're supposed to like open up and do the things, maybe not like work, but there's no like makeup in them or anything like that. I don't know how to open it. Oh, right here. Yeah. Okay. So they have this little like zipper section where you're supposed to open them up, and this is what the whole like orb looks like. That said, they are $9.99 at Ulta Beauty, and I picked up 5. So, are you excited? I'm excited. This one is not marked with an X, so it is not the one that my experience. This is stupid. Why is this not opening? This is not one of the ones that my EM picked out for me, and these are not supposed to be given to those under 3. So I can't imagine why you would give them to those under 3. So they're wrapped up secondarily in another thing. Why is this so difficult? Because clearly I am not a kid. They make these adult proof. I don't understand.
They make it so that people can't just come up to them and just them open.
Well,
easily.
Clearly, because I totally broke that. Okay, I need to find my tweezers or something. Okay, so all the packaging is off. We maybe should have ripped the packaging off. We're gonna have to like fast forward through that packaging. Okay, so this is the orb. You open it up and it's got a checklist in it of all the little minis that you could possibly get. And then it's got 5 minis. I don't think any of these is the hairdryer. but we're gonna open them. So this one is a bottle of, I think I need to put on my glasses. So that's what we're gonna do because I cannot see anything. This one is a bottle of the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo. Can you guys see that? Yeah, that's so tiny. And the lid comes off. It doesn't spray though. The lid comes off though. That's cute. Okay, next. This is an Urban Decay Moon Dust Shadow. How fun is this? Look at that, you guys. Yay! You can pretend to swatch it. It doesn't swatch, but that's fun. Okay. Is this stupid? I kind of dig it. I think it's fun. We're going to get a little, like, container to hold these all in, and we're going to put it back here somewhere. I don't know. Maybe. All right. This is an e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I am so excited. Little Barbie-sized things here. This is a Shea Moisture Illuminating Hand and Body Scrub. I mean, I know that these are tiny, and you guys probably are having a hard time seeing them, but the lid does come off. Look at it. It looks like the body scrub in there.
Does it have the texture?
It does. It does have the texture. Look. That is crazy. Weird. I dig it. Okay, last one in my first dude is an OPI nail lacquer. And the lid pops off. The lid pops off and it's got a little nail polish dude in there. These are so cute. Okay, I'm done. Your turn.
These look very fun, so I am very excited.
I'm very excited.
Got all the wrapping off.
Yay!
So just like Mom's, we have all of the surprises in their separate
and a
boxes.
checklist.
I'm gonna open this one first.
That is a way, I think it's the St. Bart's body scrub. I mean, it looks like the St. Bart's body scrub. And this is the little dude. I love that it's also got the ingredient list on the back. These are truly just little tiny minis of the things.
It's very cute.
It's very cute. Next.
Next bag.
I'm going to start pre-opening this one.
Ooh, we got an e.l.f. product, and it is...
the e.l.f. Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm.
Yep. And the lid, once again, does come off.
You got to get it in this square. Very cute. We got a lot of garbage going on here.
We do. Next bag. And it is a...
That's cool. That is a Truly product. So it is probably, yes, Cocoa Cloud Aftershave Serum. That's cute.
Really cute. It does come off. It's difficult to get off though. Have a
Good molecules.
correcting serum.
I'm super excited that we haven't gotten a duplicate yet.
Just like the other one, the thing does come off.
I'll have to do some dancing around editing in this video.
Last bag for me is... Remember that mascara you were mentioning in the background?
Oh, the Tarte Man Eater.
We got the miniature.
Does that come out?
I think so.
Look at the little tiny mascara wands. That feels like a pipe cleaner. That is so cool. My giant one doesn't come apart like this. I'm super excited that we haven't gotten a duplicate yet. Here is my second bubble. And this guy does have the X on it. So this is the one that my experience manager chose for me. I don't feel like it's got the blow dryer. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, first one is a big one. This one is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I have one of these in full size. You know what would be fun? is showcasing these in full size versus mini. This one doesn't open. I think it's because that one is just like, you know, there's no parts of that. Like you just open the top and there's nothing. There's like just liquid inside. Okay, next one. I think this is a duplicate. I think this is our first duplicate. It is the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. Our first duplicate. Yep, do it. I think this one's also a duplicate. That's a bummer, but it is what it is. This is the e.l.f. Maybe it's not a duplicate. There's a lot of e.l.f. in here. No, it is definitely a duplicate. This is the Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm duplicate. And then this one. Ooh, this is another Truly item. This is the Truly Cocoa Cloud Whipped Body Butter, and there is the body butter inside, and I love that they even got the detail of what the body butter looks like from, like, visually from outside of the jar on this guy. Okay, last one in this one. I feel like it's another duplicate. Maybe not. It isn't. It is a NYX Butter Gloss. And there is the little tiny doe foot for the butter gloss. Is this stupid? Probably. It's probably stupid. I don't care. This is joy. This brings my heart joy. Okay, that's it for mine. You're next. I'm gonna open this one.
I already pre-opened it. So now we're just gonna open it and get the prizes out.
Prizes!
First bag we have in it is a...
Oh, that's a Rakuten product. The Quick Blowout.
If the lid comes off, I can't really get it off, so...
That's so cute.
It's very tiny.
I mean, these are bigger than Barbie-sized products, I guess, but also super tiny.
Next bag, and we have not a duplicate.
Oh, I have that in full size too. I don't have much from e.l.f., but I do have that. That is the Halo Glow. Yep.
Liquid filler. Oh, and the cap does come off.
That is nobody's skin tone.
I know. Well, it's neither of ours.
I mean, yes, neither of ours. We're making a mess. Okay?
We are a mess.
We are a mess.
Okay, I'm opening the next bag. If it will open. I got it. And it is a liquid ink liner from NYX.
Supposedly, there's a little tiny liner in there.
I don't want to rip the box.
Let me see.
We might need
tweezers.
Tweezers? Got any small enough tweezers?
There we go.
And it is in there. I just have to get it out of there.
Oh, there is a little tiny liner in there.
I don't think the tip comes off.
That's so cute. How many do you have left? 2?
Just 2.
That's okay. Here we go. I mean, we only have, like, knock on wood, there's only 2 duplicates so far. Oh, that one's a duplicate. I spoke too soon. Too soon? It's a duplicate of the Shea Moisture. Wait, there's 2 of them that look very similar. So this one is the, nope, this one's different. It's the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's this one, and I got that one. So, see, it's different. So this one is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie Coconut and Hibiscus by Shea Moisture, and this is what it looks like inside. So really smooth. Oh, let's see.
I can kind of see it through the bag. That's the reason I'm like, I think it, yeah.
Yeah, we got a duplicate. That is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. That's okay. You go through those a lot. You go through them a lot. Okay, my last one. This is the last one, and this is also the second one that my EM picked for me. So these are the last 5. I might get addicted to these and need to go pick up some more. Oh, dun 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 dun. We got a duplicate. This is the e.l.f. Makeup Cleansing Balm. We've gotten 3 of those, so I think this one might also be a duplicate. Oh, it's not. Yay. This is the Way Detox Shampoo. What I'm noticing is that like some of these come apart and are like interactive, like the mascaras and the things. But these that just have liquid inside, they're not like interactive, like the lid doesn't come off or anything. But this is the Way Detox shampoo. And then, oh dang it, I dropped that one, so my daughter's gonna pick that up.
It's a duplicate.
Oh, I think this one is too. Yeah, we got another Shea Sugar Hand and Body Scrub. So this one's a duplicate. And then we got another Truly Cocoa Cloud Body Butter. That one's also a duplicate. Okay, last one. This is not the lucky one. I didn't get the hair dryer. That's okay. I got another nail lacquer, and this one is blue, another OPI nail lacquer. So the other one I got was Big Apple Red, and this one is Gelato on My Mind. So we got a good amount that were not duplicates. We got, what is that, 5? 6 of them that are duplicated. But this is the like list of all the items that you could get. But it looks like we've got some dry bar items, including a hair dryer and an oval blow dry brush and a detangling brush, a flat iron. That's fun. We have a whole bunch of e.l.f. products that we could get. And I got 3 of them. Good Molecules. I got 2 out of the 4. We have a Monday shampoo and conditioner that we can get. I didn't get anything from Monday. I got 2 out of 5 of the NYX products that we could get, and 2 out of 6 of the OPI products that we could get, and 2 out of the 6 Way products. I only got 1 Redken product, but I got 2 out of 4 Shea Moisture products, but 2 of the items... No, 1 of the items in here is a duplicate of one of those. I didn't get any of this Supergoop products, and there are 5 that you can get. I only got 1 Tarte item, and that's because I got a duplicate Tarte item. I got 1, 2, 3 e.l.f. duplicates. We got 2 out of 6 Truly items, 1 duplicated, and 1 out of 5 Urban Decay items. And then there's this frozen moment thing here where it says OPI Nail Lacquer Bubble Bath and Truly Beauty Buns of Glory Smoothing Polish. But it looks different than the rest of what's going on up here. So I'm not exactly sure what that's all about. But that said, that was just a fun video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Please let me know what you think about this video down in the comments section. Don't forget to hit a girl up. I love to have conversations with you guys down there. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you and yours are doing well. I hope that you are all safe and healthy and getting along as best that you can. I hope that you are all loving each other, being kind humans, and living your best life. And until next time, bye friends.